Hello everyone, we are going to talk about Yayashi SP-4 Toothpaste review. So does this product really work? Let's just find out in this video. So this toothpaste have generated a lot of attention for its claims of whitening teeth and promoting oral health using natural ingredients. Here is a summary of features. Right, the weight is around 120. The key ingredients is around aimed at stain removal, including those caused by coffee, tea, and wine. Right, now let's talk about the feedback. Right, if you just go to Amazon, it has around 5 rating, but there's only one review. There's no written review here. And when I just go and check out the other country reviews here, almost there is someone good, there is someone bad, right? So here, but if you just go and visit to their different kind of website, right, there's a different kind of reviews, and majority of the reviews, some user appreciate the pleasant flavor and the smooth texture of the toothpaste, finding it enjoyable to use. Many report that it is effectively freshen breathe, right? And however, there's a notable criticism regarding its whitening effectiveness. Some users have expressed disappointment, stating that it does not whiten teeth more than standard toothpaste. One review specifically mentioned that the advertising was misleading regarding the whitening capabilities. So yeah, it's just like the another toothpaste. It works, but the promises the which the brand doesn't qualify exactly 100%, right? So you can just try this out. Of course, this product is genuine. The effectiveness is not high as compared to what the product company claims. But anyway, you can go for it and make sure you do your own research before going that. And like this video, subscribe.